Hi guys. Welcome back to Programming Lab. Guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Today we are starting the lectures on C programming language. Let's see what we learn in C language. 1. C introduction. 2. C flow control. 3. C function. 4. C programming arrays. 5. C programming pointers. 6. C programming string. 7. Structure and union. 8. C file handling. Before starting this, we wanted to see which is user-friendly platform we use for this language. If you wanted to learn and compile this language on your Android phone, then you should go to Play Store and you search for EasyCoder or Turbo C for compiling your code. If you wanted to learn and compile this language on your Windows PC, then you should go to the Google and you search for Turbo C and DevCpp. And I am given the links in the description. If you wanted to know what are the types of programming language and various programming languages, then you wanted see my previous video. Link in description. And other settings I will give you when we will start the programming and program. Okay, bye, we will meet on my next video.